interface and reliability. Enter an editorial software that looks similar to Google's intended look. Moto Actions gives you some easy shortcuts to features like the torch. The Moto G6 is running Android Oreo, and it offers an easy-to-navigate interface as well as an attractive look. Motorola has made a few tweaks to the stock interface, but for the most part it looks remarkably similar to what Google intended. The extras include Motorola's own Moto app, which brings with it a few features you won't get from other manufacturers. This app will let you know if you start to run low on storage or find your battery drying too early in the day, and suggest ways to optimize your phone's performance. We've yet to make use of this feature, but we'll be sure to update this review when we've seen more of it. The app also enables you to set up Moto Actions, which are motions that act as shortcuts to various functions. For example, if you make a karate chop motion twice with the phone in your hand, the torch will turn on. This could prove useful if you're in the dark and need the torch quickly, but only if you've remembered to set it up in the first place. You can also enable a variety of other functions, including picking up the phone to stop it ringing, or turning your phone over to put it into Do Not Disturb mode. All of these are useful, but again you do need to remember that they're there, and set them up, to be able to make use of them. Another Moto features is something called Night Display. When this is enabled, the screen will use more red light and look more yellow than blue throughout the night to reduce strain on your eyes.